So I did just try and film my eyebrow tutorial and realised my microphone wasn't on my camera. So for my eyebrows, I just used that Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade, and I use the shade medium brown, and I also used the Freedom Duo Brow Powder. Then I just used a Makeup Studio light concealer to carve out my eyebrows. Alright, so now for the eyes, I got the new Juvias oh my god, Juvias Place, how do you even say that? Afrique palette is what it looks like inside. I'm gonna use the green and blend it out with the yellow. Oh yeah, and this colour is called Aya, A-Y-A. This is the bright yellow, sure. I've got it back in with that green and just kind of soften up the edges just a tad. This is also like my shitty eye. I don't know if anyone else has a shitty eye, but every time I do makeup, this eye looks honestly hideous and the other one comes together really nicely. I'm gonna get another clean brush. I'm just gonna use this. This is just another Jessup brush, and I'm just gonna kind of blend the edges of that yellowy greeny colour. I'm gonna go back in with the Niger colour, the green, because when you cut the crease you want it to be dark a bit above it, otherwise the cut crease will kind of like wash out, like it just won't look as precise. I'm gonna go in and cut the crease, and for that I'm gonna use Tarte Shape Tape. I'm gonna start on my inner corner. So I usually go from my little, what are those little sucky things called in the eye? So I start there and then I just stamp it all the way up. And I go well above my actual crease, because then when your eyes are open you'll still be able to see your cut crease. And on the first time I cut the crease, I never conceal all of the eyelid. I usually go in with like a Q-tip or something and then a little bit of makeup remover, and then I just go over that and kind of remove the green up to where I've cut the crease, because then when you go over it with concealer again, it will look a lot cleaner. Go back in with the green and just stamp it over that. Go back over it again and just kind of remove the extra. And then I'll go back in with my concealer and the cut crease brush. Alright, and the best white shade that I have is from the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette, this colour here. And I'm just going to set. And the colour that I'm using, Cotonou, it's that one there. I'm gonna get a little tiny blending brush and I'm gonna dip into that blue. I'm just trying to blend that metallic shadow up a little bit. Melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. And I'm just gonna get that same brush that we used to set the white. I'm just gonna blend it out a little bit. Alright, so I'm back and I've just finished the other eye and I've just finished putting on my base. I just haven't done a highlighter yet, but all I did was I wiped down the under eyes because the fallout was real, and then I just used the Tarte Shape Tape concealer in Fair again, just under my eyes. I set it with the RCMA No Colour Powder. I bronzed with the Hoola Benefit bronzer, and then I put a little bit of blush from the Morphe blush palette. I just mixed these two here. Alright, so I'm just blending out that blue a little bit with a little bit of yellow. I'll go back in with the blue. Alright, and so for highlighter today I'm going to be going in with the Jeffree Star 24 Carat palette. That one there. He's just released it in like a bigger pan. So that's like the best thing ever, because this highlight, even though this is in like the darker palette, I didn't think any of the shades would work for me, but this one is honestly blinding. Yeah, it's honestly like an amazing highlighter. Right, and the lashes that I've been loving lately, these are just off eBay. These are like $1, I reckon $1.10 off eBay. So they come with 2, I'll show you. And they're so fluffy, like they're so good for the price. Okay, so what you want to do, you want to hold the eyelash upwards and you want to sit it on your eyelashes. So you don't want to like push it that way because otherwise they're just going to look straight, and in photos and things they're not going to look like you have long eyelashes on. So you want to stick it like this and just place it, like just place it on your eyelash first. And then what I do is I touch the front corner, like the front, and then I bring the back, and then I touch the back. And when you do it, you want to pull on it a little bit just so the lash band is tight across your eyes. And then what I usually do, I usually press it like that to make sure it's really like blending with my lashes, like really touching the lash line. Alright, so the other lash is on. I want to highlight the brow bone and the inner corner, so I'm going to go back into the Juvias Place palette and I'm going to use this colour here. Now I'm just going to pop that on the inner corner. Alright, so just like that. And for lips, I've decided to do the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in I'm Nude, so that's just that one. Hope you enjoyed it, so thank you for watching.